through the Division of Water?
Okay. Well, the Kentucky Division of Water provides technical assistance to water well drillers, engineering and geological consultants, as well as homeowners. Those type of services often are general questions about their water well. Sometimes there's problems with the water quality. Oftentimes we can resolve those questions over the telephone. Sometimes it requires an inspection with the use of a water well camera or a visual inspection. If the well cap's not properly seated, if the casing's broken at the surface, if there's an opening in the annulus between the ground and the well casing at the surface, just a lot of housekeeping type things that may have not got completed.
What's the typical average thing that homeowners call?
The most common thing is my well has an odor to it, or it has red staining in the water. Two of the culprits in most of the groundwater chemistry in the wells in Kentucky are either one or both iron bacteria or sulfate bacteria, which are not harmful to you, but are harmful to your well and your plumbing over time. Those things are easily, most of the time, remedied by shock chlorination. If you put your well on a maintenance schedule at least once a year, sometimes you have to do it more often, those two problems are usually resolved.
Well, in this video, we're pretty much focusing on the purchase area. So you have the division, you said in Murray?
We have field offices in Paducah and Madisonville.
So for people in the purchase area, it would be Paducah?
Correct.
Are you familiar with most of the complaints or the need for assistance that happens in that purchase area through that office?
Primarily, they will go through our office in Frankfort for the initial question or problem. We'll try to answer it there. If it's one that's going to require the use of a well camera, then we'll have to come out from Frankfort. If it's a problem with bacterial type thing, E. coli or something related to that, they can call their local health department. The health department will come out and sample their water well for that. If it's something more extensive where they think their well may have been contaminated by a chemical, then one of our field offices can probably come out and do a one-time sample for that well.
If you were going to describe the ideal well, safety-wise, distance from contamination, the way it was constructed, what would be some of the main things that you would look for?
Okay, first,
if I'm just building a house and I'm going to build a stone house like this, but I'm in Western Kentucky and I've got pretty good well water possibility, what would you tell me to do?
Well, the first thing is to locate a Kentucky certified water well driller.
Let's start that over since I'm
Okay.
Refocus here.
Okay. The first thing you need to do is locate a certified water well driller. All wells in Kentucky water wells have to be installed by a Kentucky certified water well driller. The exemptions for water wells are livestock only, And that's the only exemption. Irrigation wells and domestic water wells and public supply water wells all have to be installed by a certified water well driller. So once you get that settled, if you have questions, can't find one, call us and we'll help you. Some areas are real plentiful, other areas there's not very many drillers, so it's hard to locate them at times. The other thing is that it's properly constructed. All wells have to have a minimum of 20 feet of casing. Some will require more. Some may require 100 feet, depending on the competency of the rock that they're drilling through, whether there's any voids or loose shale or sand or whatever. So those kind of things will be variable, but the ideal well will have the proper amount of casing in it. It will be sealed at the top so that surface water can't migrate down and contaminate your well. It has a proper well cap. It has a pitless adapter that connects your supply line to your line going to the house, and that puts it below the frost line. It has a watertight seal cap, and basically a well that's sealed where no bugs or surface water can get in it, the well should never have a problem, other than what I'd mentioned earlier. You need to shock chlorinate it once a year minimum for iron bacteria and sulfate bacteria so it doesn't clog up your pipes.
Now, did you mention distance from?
Okay, the other thing is offsets. Many lots where people build houses don't have enough room to accommodate a water well and a septic system. What we have a well variance that will allow you to move your well closer to the septic system than the standard 70 feet. But that requires additional casing, a minimum of 40 feet of casing in wells in that situation. If your water level's at 30 feet, then that won't work. You can't put in a well. But if you have a deeper aquifer where you're going to install 40 feet of casing, your water level's at 80 feet, that's not a problem.
So the homeowner's responsibility, the homeowner is responsible for their well.
Correct. We do not regulate the water well. We regulate the driller and the construction of it through the certification program. We do not regulate private water wells. Now, let me say one thing. If you poured gasoline in your well or a chemical, you would be degrading the waters of the Commonwealth, and that would be a violation of the regulations.
And then you're saying that you...
But we do not regulate private water wells versus public water supply wells. Public water supply wells under the drinking water branch are regulated. They are continually required to do analytical testing for different parameters through the US EPA guidance. Private water wells are not regulated. When we sample a well for someone, when we send you a letter and the results of the analysis, we will reference all the analysis to what the public water supply standards are and tell you that this parameter is high or everything looks okay. But again, this is based on raw water and using US EPA guidance for drinking water. But it's not regulated by us. we give that as a standard for people to look at.